Good afternoon, dignitaries. This is Caroline Anita, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science from SPIHER. A very warm welcome and good afternoon to one and all present here for this third day of the Faculty Development Program organized by the Department of Computer Science. We are truly delighted to have among us our respected dignitaries, resource persons, faculty members, and valuable participants. It is my pleasure today to introduce our chief guest for the day, Dr. S. Sasikala, Professor, Department of Computer Science from University of Madras. She is a well-known professional with hands-on experience in the field of computer science, and she has contributed greatly through her leadership. We are truly honored to have you with us today, ma'am. Your presence and words of wisdom will truly inspire us and motivate us. Let us all welcome Dr. S. Sasikala, ma'am, with a big round of applause. Over to you, ma'am. Sasikala, ma'am, you can start the session.
You're in mute, ma'am.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Audible, ma'am, but screen is not showing.
Okay. First of all, I am appreciating the organizers, Department of Computer Science, St. Peter's University, and GoTech Private Limited, organizing a 5-day national level online faculty development program on AI-powered pedagogy, integrating artificial intelligence tools in modern classrooms. See, we are all in the situation of changing into modern. Whoever we are all in 80s and 90s kids and all. 80s we have completed our degrees and all, isn't it? Degree, many of us, not all, many of us completing from 84, 85, 90s we have completed, but nowadays that will not be work out in our classroom. As a faculties, we have to improve our things, improve our knowledges. We can't able to stand in front of the current guise of efficient smart students, isn't it? So these workshops, this faculty development program is very much useful for all the faculties and all. So already 2 days programs have covered, I think so. So today's program I have covered easy grade and quiz in one session, and next day session I'll solicit academic, that is research oriented tools I will be covered. So easy grade and quiz is not have taken, hope, I think so. Is it not taken now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today's class we can do. I'll share my screen. See, my topic is AI-powered tools transforming the education. See, AI performs that all revolutionary how educators teach, assess, and engage with students in today digital learning environment. So we have to improve with that, and according to that only we can just a minute. According to that, whatever we need, till now, before came to this AI generative tools, before we used Google only. So with the Google only we have whatever we need, it will be given whatever we asked, that is taken from some repositories they have already stored, isn't it? So apart from that, they couldn't able to give whatever we asked. But in a generative AI is whatever we have asked, with the based on that, based on the content available in the repository, it will create its own new text, new images, new music, new videos, whatever we need. It will be create their own and then given a result with more appropriate. So for that, the generative AI refers to a subset of it as an artificial intelligence only that involves algorithms capable of generating new content or data that mimics the existing pattern or structure. This can include a wide range of outputs such as text, images, music, and even videos. Generative AIs use not only normal algorithms, it generating adversarial networks and variational autoencoders. With the based on that only, it will be creating more and more text with available existing data sets. To create more existing data sets and produce original creation and maintain the similar characteristics. That's why we are accepting that one. The technology is used in various applications, including content creations, art generation, and product designs. These things are working under what? These are all the algorithms. So algorithms and technology involved in that. Artificial intelligence, it has developed in 90s 50s itself. Why it has not developed that time? Because not that much of internet facilities, as well as that much of processors, high power processor we don't have. That's why it will not boomed it. So that technology already developed in 1950s, but now only according to the development of internet facilities and quantum computings and quantum mechanics, everything, the high powered machines, processors came, GPUs came. That's why it will booms it. So it will mimics the human like intelligence task whatever we have given, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding the natural languages. So, which consist of these following things: machine learning. Machine learning, you may know, all have heard about these terms and all. Even though I am repeating that, it is a subset of AI which train the machine, enables the machine to learn from existing data and make the predictions and decision based on data without being explicitly programmed for each task. Deep learning next. Deep learning is the same thing as in machine learning, but it works in large data set. Make it particularly effectively in fields like images and speech recognition with complex data calculations. And next one, the development is generative AI. What we have used now, Chat GPT and all we have using, this is a generative AI, which is specialized branch of deep learning that focuses on creating new content by modeling and mimicking the existing data patterns, utilizing the techniques like generative adversarial network and variational autoencoders. So these are all the generations came one by one. See, within that generative AI, there is an conflicts we may have. Nowadays, there is an conflicts in terms are AI agent, genetic AI. So comes one by one. AI agent, what is AI agent? What is generative AI? What is genetic AI? See, generative AI means, so what are all the available data sets? With that, it will be creating its own and give a new content and new image or new video. But AI agent is an autonomous software system that use artificial intelligence to complete a task that interact with their environment to achieve user defined goals. For example, a specific task means, for example, Canva is a one software AI tool which is used for designing images, isn't it? So this is particularly for designing an image. That is one AI agent, isn't it? But AI, like this, many agents are there. It works along with that in generative AI. Text, images, and video content creations, each and everything doing a separate AI agent, combined together, the generative AI will produce whatever we want. According to that, generative AI, it calls the corresponding generative AI agents. Okay, but genetic AI refers a intelligent system that plan, act, learn, and adopt autonomously toward a goal, which like a digital co-workers, not like a generative AI, not like a chat GPT. See, for example, if you want to get an information from the chat GPT, means first you should give a prompt, isn't it? So whatever you prompt you have given, automatically it will gives the content, basic things it will be given. Suppose if you know whatever, see, if you are efficient, suppose I want to know about machine learning algorithms, say, so what are the algorithms basically available, it will be given. So in the prompt itself, if you have defined it as, I knew that reinforcement learning, I knew that deep learning, I want to know about a BERT algorithm, that when it will given a answer is different way, the generative AI will come, isn't it? So this is the way, but in, you have to give then and there prompting, according to that the generative AI will gives the result. But in a genetic AI means, for example, I am creating a video content, say a YouTube video is there, I want to translate YouTube video into blog. I'll give it this task to a genetic, I say, a genetic AI. What it will do, what are all the jobs it will be do means, first it will be upload my YouTube content, and then it will be get the transcripts of my YouTube video. Then it will be classified into different titles, and individual titles will be described, and then give a conclusion. A blog means it should have it could have a titles, and it have a description, and it will have a conclusion, isn't it? So like that, a complete task without giving any human intervention it will do. That is the advantage of a genetic AI. Now you make clear that what is generative AI, what is AI agent, and AI genetic AI. See, here today's class, what we have the tools what we have seeing going to see is individual agent AI only, isn't it? It is a part of generative AI. Okay. Okay. So from that artificial intelligence only, these are all will be evolved. So usually the machine learning means just you have given input, the features are extracted and classified individually. And if the input is given as car, means whether it is car or not car, it will be given according to the features what we have given. But it in a deep learning, it will give a different cars we can give, different directions, different position. So you can give in the deep learning, you will give the output as car, as well as given as a description. So the colors is this, not only the label, it give their descriptions also. But the thing in a discriminative technique means what we have seen in the deep learning and machine learning, whatever images input is given, according to
Students, good
that only
afternoon.
it will be saying
இன்னைக்கு
that it is cat or
ஸ்பீக்கரோட
dog. But
இருக்கிற
in a
நெட்வொர்க்
generative
அவைலபிலிட்டி அவர்
AI,
சைட்ல இல்லைன்றதால
uh, if
இன்னைக்கு
you
நடக்கிற
have given
பிஓபி
some
கிளாஸ் நாளைக்கு
images
ஆஃப்டர்நூன் 2 o'clock
with a
திரும்ப
position as
கூகுள் மீட்
these are all
ரீஷெட்யூல்
the
பண்ணி நாளைக்கு
face of
போஸ்ட் பண்றோம்.
causes only.
எல்லாரும் நாளைக்கு ஜாயின் ஆகுங்க.
Only one
சாரி ஃபார் த
individual
இன்கன்வீனியன்ஸ்.
image
சரிங்களா?
only
உங்க
having
வேலையை
the
நீங்க பாருங்க. தேங்க்யூ
full
ஸோ மச்.
full
Okay, sir.
image
Thank
of
you, sir.
cause. But the generative model, it will generate with the available horse symbol, horse image, it will creating more and more images and give us a different colors and different shape and full images of cars will give us. With For this, you have to give some generative model algorithms, and randomizing some random noises will be available. That's why it will be generating more and more images. So the sampling images are given. These are all the different techniques. So suppose if you want to create a bot, whatever the information you must know, what are the knowledge you must know about that is, so basically Python you must know about that. Along with that, mathematics and statistics. See, if you want to implement any language means mathematical concepts you must know about that. Apart from that, details of machine learning and deep learning neural networks must know about that. With the use of the GAN network is, if you want to use it, so for creating a chatbot itself, one AI agent is there. For creating your own chatbot, you can be created like that only. You must know about these are all the knowledges when we want to create an chatbot. Even though it is very much useful and whatever it may be, the teacher is teacher, isn't it? So the worthiness and trustworthiness must be identified with us only. So teacher is always great, whatever the technology is coming. It does not always identify the source of content. Yes, we doesn't know about that. It may be created, whether it is creating a correct one or not correct one, how we can identify it. It can be challenging to access the bias of original sources. How we can challenge it, whether it is fine correct or not, that is same thing we have faced it. And realistic sounding content makes it harder to identify inaccurate. For example, speech analysis. If you are using a lift, say, in the lift, I want to go, I want to go first floor, second floor, third floor, say. So each and every one ascent will be differ. So for that case, it will give a confusion in that. So if I giving a American English means it will be accepted. It so Indians, when they going and using that lift means it will not accessing the phonetics will be comparing also. So that's why I'm telling the sounding is also a problem in that to identify the inaccuracy of that particular systems. It can be difficult to understand how to tune for new circumstances. That is also very difficult. The result can luster over bias and hearted. Okay, so these things and all, how it will be makes. So as a computer science faculties, you must know about that. The transfer learning only adapting here to, yeah, that is transforming each and every technologies. So whatever base, that's why we are all still can able to learn each and every new things. So we are having some base. So this is the database concepts, this is the OS concepts, this is data structure concepts. We are having a sound base. So that's why we can improving each and every individuals mushroom technologies can able to study and able to adapt it, isn't it? So that's why the transfer learning is a technique which is a machine learning and knowledge learned from task and is reused in order to boost performance on related tasks. Already I said that GAN networks is there. So with the use of GAN network, the available of so many networks for processing text, processing images, and identifying speech synthesizing. Everything is the network is available. With the available network, we can take from that, tune it, and use it for your application. That is transfer learning. So for that only it will be time is reduced for creating an application. Okay, the transfer learning can be applied to a wide range of domains of generative AI tasks, including computer vision, natural language processing, sentiment analysis, and natural language generations. Okay, so these are all the thing must know about that. Even though whatever you have available, these are all the informations and technologies, algorithms must know about that. Then only you can use it and use it into our applications. So these are all some stages of generative AI model to be created. So generating the pre-train, so with whatever content you have given, the LLM only done, everything is done. So LLM, large language model, large image model, so many things are there. So internet, from the internet of text data and document text what we have prompted, so it will generating with the pre-training model. With the base model, you should tune it in the second stage, the supervise, fine tune it. Once it is fine tuned it, you should get the remarks from the feedback from the agents, feedback from the user, and adopt it, implement with that original one. That is the reinforcement learning through human feedback. Then you can create your model, original model. These are all the stages. So pre-trained model is there, and apart from that, human inputs. Pre-trained model also getting information from the agents, human agents, as well as internet content will be altogether feed it into the stochastic gradient descent algorithm. Along with that, feedbacks will be given in the next stage. So it will create one reinforcement learning. So once it is reinforcement learning, it comes. So it will be, once it is implemented according to the environment, it will change the content. So now you can create an individual language model, LLM, new model for your application. Okay, so nowadays many of the autonomous colleges have creating their own LLM for their students, for their students, by providing videos and content, assignments, everything. So I have seen in many colleges affiliated to our university. So they are creating their own LLM like this. So empowering educator with intelligence tools. So we also creating our we can also create our intelligent tools as a research. But before that, we can use interactive classrooms and interactive sessions with AI tools with our students. I'll give a few examples here. Artificial transforming the education, these are all the many tools are there. Research rabbit, these for research scholarly limited, for reviewing the papers. Chat GPT, you may know, Gemini, and these are all search engines. And Scopus is also reviewing the Manly for reviewing papers and how to give the bibliography, and how we can refer the individuals, how you can give the priority of individual papers, everything we can give it in a Manly. And Bit AI, Solicit, and connected papers, these are all the research oriented papers. Perplexity AI also, Microsoft Copilite, Zero True, these are everything as an research oriented AI tools only. So today's class we have going to see about easy grader and quiz, that is gamifier learning assessment. So first we go about the easy grader. Is it audible and visually can able to see? Madam, anyone can respond, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Easy grader, is an advanced AI which is used to reducing the timing of evaluation and provides a consistent and detailed feedback. We can get it from them, and customizable rubrics assigned to your criteria highlights the area for student improvements. Why I am giving this one as, for example, we can give, now we are in a era of CBCSE system, outcome based system, isn't it? So that as national education policies is insisting that that outcome based education. So in that outcome based education, each and every topic must give, and what is their outcome they have learned, how they can learn, how we can improve, everything you have to be graded. So for that itself, this tool is very much useful for that evaluation. For that only I am choosing this easy grader. Here first you should create an, for example, uh, we have taken OS class, say. So in that memory management system is one topic we have taken, or deadlock is one topic we have taken, say. So in that deadlock, you have given assignment for them. You can give assignments as descriptive question as well as in objective type questions. Usually in all the education policies are insisting us to give an objective type question evaluation, and assessment is more useful, and grading, assessing the student is very, whether it is knowledgeable or not knowledgeable is very, it is a very convenient one for that. So okay, now we start with that one. It is a easy grader. This is the upload manually. Here the rubric is first you have to give. So I'm already given, and now I want to close this one. Deadlock conditions, I close it. I want to give a new one only. Okay, from home, uh, home. Okay. Get started to for free AG one only. A grader for teachers. Each and every individual topic you can give us as an assignment here. New rubric we can provide it. Upload. Add your own rubric. Upload your upload from my device. Memory management is there. Yeah, memory management is there. It's okay. Memory management systems. Upload and then continue. So this is the new rubric I have uploaded, and you can give the details whether the questions taken in elementary, middle school, high school and college level. So this is college level. Grading intensity either easy, normal or strict. Normal one. English, the language also you can choose, and continue it. Yes, continue. So now in our rubric, what we have the content, going to take assessment for a particular topic that you have to be inputted. The memory management system is just content of that whole text. The content of the title will be given. So I want to, if I want to show it, I'll show it. Memory management system. Rubric name is memory management system. If I want to know that memory management technique operating systems, first what I've given, I'll show it. So this is the thing. Okay, these are all the information I have given. Okay, single contiguous, fixed partition, dynamic partition, paging and segmentation. Okay. Now, okay. Now uploaded the memory management one. So the file is uploaded here. So here creating that understanding of techniques. So this is the grading information we have given. So excellent, what is the grade you have given? 4. Good means 3. Satisfactory 2. Needs to improve 1. So like that. Application concepts. So within that memory management, understanding technique and application of this thing only evaluating in the outcome based evaluation, no? So in SPO, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம அதில் தான் these things only we are calculating, no? So each and every unit of syllabus we have to calculate, no? Clarity and organization. So according to that only it will be grading. Understood, guys? So understanding of technique, application of concepts, clarity and organization of the content, their presentation. So according to these 3 concepts, it evaluating their presentation. Understood? So okay, save this changes. Now we need to give answers for this question. For that, answer to deadlock. Okay, we can create that one. Just a minute. You creating an answer for student answers. So paging and another one is segmenting, isn't it? Paging and segmenting. This is for one answer. They have given only paging and segmentation in one answer. We can save it as one answer. Save as That is single contiguous allocation, fixed partitioning, and dynamic partitioning. So these are all these things only given by the one student. We can keep it like this. Okay. AN answer 2. Okay. And then in answer, one more students present all 5 information. Okay. One, fixed partitioning and dynamic partitioning, and also paging, segmentation. These are all few description. Okay, given. So this will be, take it as AN 3. Okay, save. Now start grading. Start grading. Start grading. Upload manually. Here, which class we need to, for example, BCA, say BCA class. The assignment for for example, this is the third assignment, say third assignment. In that, rubric close, select rubric, memory management, what we have already uploaded, and upload student work here. So the student work means student answers. Student answers are AN1, AN2, AN3. So these 3 answers for this topic, memory management technique. Actual correct answer is this one. This is the correct answer. From that, so the students' answer is these 3 answers. Now we start the grading. Understood? See, once you create a content and create answers, create correct answer and create student answer, and then you can upload it by grading the thing and start grading. Okay, here customizing the grade with the college one, English, and detail medium, feedback detail level. Detail feedback you need means detail feedback, and grading intensity normal, and grading intensity normal. And additionally, if you want to give any feedback, you can give, otherwise you don't want to give. Start grading. So automatically it gives these 3 levels, that is concept level, understanding level, clarity level. It will gives the feedback and marks also. So very efficient tool, this one, for our current situations. We are evaluating the individual assignments and all. See, this doing the grading is going on. Suppose 50 students are there, means you can upload 50 answers. But the size, the individual questions only you have to give. So that's why for that size will not more than 4 pages, I think so. 3 to up to 3 pages it will be working out. The answer should be within 3 pages. I have checked within that. So I have checked with more than that, it will be not good. The error message is coming. So now it's graded. The grade, first answer one, grading as 5 out of 12. Second one is 8 out of 12. Third one is 8 out of 12. So why? You can see why you should give the explain the marks, why I have given 5 marks for that. You select it and then review it. See here, this is the answer what they have given. Overall grading 5 by 12. So understanding, that is, you saw good basic understanding of memory management. Positively, they have appreciating the student, as well as suggestions also given to continue improving, expand on the advantage and disadvantage of each technique you have to give. And under clarity and organization in organization, they have given 2 marks out of 4. Application of concepts wise 1 mark only they have given. The clarity of organization wise 2 marks only they have given. So okay, for that how we can clarity you have to improve, and concepts wise how you can improve, that suggestions also given to the student. It will be more you such a beautiful tool for using assessment of in student. This once you have sent to the feedback to the student, automatically he will be enjoy next assignments, he will thoroughly got a full marks from you. So like that, individual students informations you can get it and transfer to the individual things. This is the easy grader. This is the easy grader teaching tool. Okay. You can use the Google Classroom. Already we knew that Google Classroom. Google Classroom, so you can check with that. So is it can I are you understood the what are all the concepts in this easy grader? Shall I switch over to next tool? Can you respond, anyone, please?
Yes, ma'am. Kindly go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
We well understood now.
Okay, and thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is quiz. This is also already I told to you in our education policies, expecting that students should know the information as a conceptual level of a particular topic. Conceptual level, whether the student can understood conceptual level or not, by giving by giving descriptive question means they couldn't reflect the expectation what we knew, that is conceptual evaluation can't able to be get it from the descriptive question. Conceptual evaluation can be get it by objective type questions only. So for that we go for the objective type questions. Individually can evaluate that whether the particular student is conceptually strong or not. So this quiz transforms question save question say preparation time is saved, and gamification increasing the student participation, more interactive and more gamification also, live and homework mode for flexibility, detailed report identify the learning gaps, it gives the learning gaps. So if you are gap in this, you improve this way and all, it is guiding. Huge library of pre-made content. These are all the some thing. I'll go directly to the tool is itself. Okay. Okay. Yes. The quiz is now background. Sign up for teachers, sign up for free. Many of you may know these tools and all, even though please bear with me. For K-12 for personal use, this is okay. Business purpose and personal use. So here, the two things are there: create and search and upload, whatever it may be. The searching is the content. Once you have given, automatically it will be created. Create that is a search for that, and create we have to give one topic, uploaded on topic, and then use it. First we check about the uh, our own topic we given us. Create an assessment, import worksheet, uh, upload from our device. For example, necessary conditions for the occurrence of deadlock, say. Upload. This is one assignment. From this assignment, so many objective type questions we are going to create to find out the conceptual level understanding of this one. Choose the question types. Edit. In this edit, multiple choice question, open ended, blank, multiple choice questions. We only we going to choose it. Okay, multiple choice question we have to choose it. Done. Not open ended one. Now subject to be subject and grade. Select the subject. Subject is computers. Okay, select grade, college, university, that university level. Okay, generate the quiz. That level only it will be generating the hardness. That's why we are selecting the grades as well as that one. According to the questions, you can change the question your own, as well as you can delete the question, you can rewrite the question, whatever you can do by this thing. So it will not be hacked by anyone. You can create your own also, and you can change this question what they have developed by quiz also. So these are all the 9 questions they have created from our content. Okay. So here sometimes it will gives us one prime question like that. Premier question they will given. So premier question means that question should be deleted before publishing for quiz, because we need to pay some amount. It will ask some amount from us. That's why. So if you go with the free means, you should delete the first of all you surf that questions which having premier question or not. Everything is normal questions only. So in that, see here, AI is there. On AI is there, no? So in that, replace with similar question. See, this is one question as given. So you need to change the questions. Like, see, usually if anyone of the college asking question setting means you can get it from the internet, and you can change few words, no. So like that you can replace with, so it will asking that whether I can replace this question with this one. Which of the following is not one of the necessary condition for the occurrence of deadlock? But it asking that which of the following is not a characteristic of deadlock situation. So both are same only, even though it will be changing the answers as well as question. Now you apply the changes. Okay. So these things and all you can give, and also you can give translate the quiz into many languages also. So suppose Hindi you want, Tamil and English you can give, the Tamil and English and Hindi if you want to give. So everything can give, translate and give. And timing also you can give the seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds, fix it. Grading, how much points you have given for that, 1 point is given. Okay, so this way the questions should be checked, set. Okay, setted already. Then you want to preview that, you can preview it. Mutual exclusion, hard and word circular, show answers. Show answers. Preemption. Okay, like that. Okay, close it. Now you publish. Now we published and start now. We are starting with the classical mode. In that primary setting you have to set as it is primary setting is unlimited. Student answer at their own pace, and you see result on live leaderboard. Redemption redemption questions you can use it. Strike and shield, and then show answers after each question on. Answer each question on வேண்டாம், off. கடைசியில் கொடுத்தா போதும். Shuffle question, anything else you can do. Shuffle question, so all answer after session, yes, on. And so once you are so answer after each question means automatically redemption question should be off. Okay, start. You can also join with me. Please scan the QR code, please. Please, guys, please join with this QR code.
Ma'am, can you zoom little bit, ma'am, so that
Okay,
we'll
sure.
be able to scan.
Zoom எப்படி? Now can you able to zoom it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I start now? Few of them can join. எப்போ என் பண்ணும்? என் பண்ணிருமா? Be quick. Be quick, please. Answer quick, please. Hi. Congratulations, Balaji and Prashanti. See, these are all the reports also given. So, is it audible? Madam?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
See, is it interested? Balaji, Prashanti, Shivraj, how do you feel this one? So, with a sound effect and gamifications, so more interesting, no? And question also, it will be more conceptual and very tough. So, asking, twisting of question is also a little bit tough, isn't it? Or you feel like that or not? So Sasi is myself. I have answered the questions, few questions. So that's why I'm telling that. I knew that it's a technique of taking question is very different, isn't it? Not in a direct mode. Please answers. Please reply. Are you feeling like that or not? Okay. Okay, these are all the tools is very useful for our classrooms also. So be use this one. It will be more useful for that. Hope you understood the thing interestingly and hopefully usefully with your classrooms. It make it useful in your classroom teaching also. So shall I conclude this today's class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can have a question and answer session, ma'am.
Yeah. You can.
Ma'am, the session was very impressive. We really got a lot of valuable insights from you
Thank you.
regarding AI tools for modern educators and academics, ma'am. It was
Yeah.
really informative. Thank you so much for the enlightening session.
Thank you. These three tools you didn't hear before that, no?
We have
No,
heard
ma'am,
about
we haven't.
very few, not much about all these
Okay.
things in detail, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Ma'am,
rubrics and all just
shall we go for
mandatory.
a
So
Q&A session now?
whatever you gave insights is very useful for us, ma'am. Because
Thank
every
you.
time when we raise up a question like or an assignment, rubric
Uh,
plays a major role, and we are not able to resolve when we have 40 plus students in the class. It
yeah,
was very
exactly.
useful, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. These two tools are very useful for our classroom teaching, especially when you are adapting that as outcome based evaluation, isn't it? Education evaluation.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, the quiz you are conducting, ma'am. In for Kahoot means you can give for only 10 questions.
ah,
Uh, in this way, sorry, in this tool, we can give for more than 10 questions, ma'am. Is it
exactly.
possible?
You can give. We can suggest that this much of questions in that
Okay.
Quizlet. So
Okay, okay.
according, see, with the topic also important here. So that
Okay.
much of concept you have to give, then you
Okay.
can create it, and you can delete the question and then you can insert a question also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
That
Okay,
also
ma'am.
possible with that.
So nice, ma'am. Nicer the session, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Shall it?
shall we go now for a Q&A session, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
I request the participants to kindly pose their queries. Whoever is going to ask a question, kindly unmute yourselves and post your questions.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I think the participants are already, they already had got a lot of information, so I don't think so they are in need of any other new questions to be asked.
Already more all are understood, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
No queries are there. Thank you. Thank you.
Shall we now go for a photo session?
Yes, yes.
I kindly request the participants to turn on their videos and join us for a photo session.
Okay, ma'am. Divine, ma'am.
Now I would like to invite Ms. K. A. Divine Mary, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science, Paiha, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. It is my pleasant duty to propose the vote of thanks. On behalf of Department of Computer Science, I sincerely thank our resource person, Dr. S. Sasikala, Professor, Department of Computer Science, University of Madras, founder and CEO, GoTech Software Training Institute, Chennai, for taking time from your busy schedule to share your valuable knowledge and insights with us today. Your session on AI powered pedagogy, integrating artificial intelligence tools in modern classroom was very informative and inspiring. We gained new areas that will surely help us in our teaching and research. I also thank Dr. Brinda ma'am for their constant support and encouragement in organizing this faculty development program. A big thank you to the organizing team and all the participants for making the session successful through your cooperation and active participation. Once again, thank you, Dr. S. Sasikala, Professor, Department of Computer Science, University of Madras, for your wonderful section. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sasikala, ma'am. So,
Participants have posted the feedback in the chat box. Kindly fill the feedback. After filling the feedback, the session is over. After filling the feedback, you may log out now.